Install the new wooden doorstop flush with the repaired jamb so the door closes squarely and seals against weather stripping. Start by measuring the opening and cutting the stop to fit the full height of the jamb plus the top rail overlap by 1/4 inch so you can trim for a perfect fit. Peel back or remove existing weather stripping so you can see the exact face where the stop will land and confirm the door fully closes without rubbing. Position the new stop against the jamb and align it with the top rail using a square or simply sighting the gap to the head jamb so the stop sits parallel to the door edge. Fasten the stop with 2-inch, 18-gauge brad nails placed every 6 to 8 inches into the jamb and every 12 inches into the underlying stud, where possible to prevent split and to keep the stop secure under repeated use. If the jamb repair used wood filler or epoxy in a thin skin over the stud, pre-drill shallow pilot holes at the brad locations so the nails bite the solid wood and not just the filler. Finally, reinstall or compress the weather stripping against the stop so it seals without interfering with the latch or causing the door to stick, and trim any protruding stop material for a seamless finish. The most common mistake is installing the stop too proud or too recessed, which causes the door to bind or leave a gap. So carefully sight the fit before nailing and use a clamp to hold it in the exact position while you fasten. Another frequent issue is relying solely on nails into filler rather than driving some fasteners into the underlying stud, which leads to a loose stop over time. Remedy that by locating the stud with a probe and alternating nail locations so several nails penetrate solid framing. A third problem is failing to check the interaction with weather stripping, which creates either a poor seal or a sticking door. Test the door with the intended weather strip installed and shave the stop or change the strip profile until the door closes freely and seals. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where users share real-world tips about repairs like doorstop installation. We use the site to find suitable pros and to learn practical how-to guidance from other homeowners and tradespeople.